From the trading desk of dailyforex.com, this is Christopher Lewis looking at the upcoming August 13th Forex session in the Euro pound pair. This is a pair that we don't really trade very often, but as you can see, it tends to chop around. But the nice thing about this pair, and I'll go ahead and zoom out, you can see it's very symmetrical. That's kind of nice, really. Given half a chance, it's an easy pair to trade. You just have to pick your spots. Well, you can see that we are at a spot right now that is an area that should be supportive or resistive, depending on what side of the line you are. Right now, it looks like it should be support. So when we look at this chart, I'll go ahead and zoom in. It makes sense that if we can break the top of this candle, that we could go maybe 100, 150 pips higher without too many issues. You have to keep in mind, this is in the middle of the summer still. There isn't much liquidity. There really isn't going to be much in the way of a longer term trade. This is a relative play. You also have to keep that in mind. So what I mean by that is what the euro does, as long as it's stronger than the pound against the dollar, this pair should go higher. It's relative strength. That's what you're thinking of. Neither one of these currencies, it doesn't really matter what they do against the dollar as long as they move in the same direction and the euro does a little bit better than the pound. That being the case, I think that that's probably the way it's going to be. And with that, I am a buyer above the top of this hammer, as I should be able to get it back to the 0.8750 level, I think, without too many issues.